Alright, here we have a Mercedes-Benz SLK 280. We're going to go over the oil filter, oil drain plug, transmission, and differential fill and drain plugs. So I've got the vehicle up in the air. The engine oil drain plug is this 13mm bolt right here on the driver's side of the engine pan. The transmission drain and fill plug, this is the drain plug. Straight at the bottom, it's about a 17mm hex. And then the fill plug is on the passenger side of the transmission. It's a 14mm hex. This is for the manual transmission. And then the differential, the fill plug is on the driver's side. Again, 14mm hex. Right there on the driver's side of the differential. And then the drain plug is a 14mm hex on the passenger side of the vehicle. And now we're going to load the vehicle so we can show you where the oil filter is. The engine oil filter is under this cover right here at the front of the engine. It's right here. And then you fill the oil on the passenger side of the valve cover of the engine. These vehicles take 8.5 quarts of oil.